So today I finally put the finishing touches on my Wi-Fi garage door opener. Here's a little demonstration. Okay, Google, open the garage door. Voila. And in a second, there we go. I get a little push notification. Now that happens whether or not I use the phone to open it or not, so I know if anybody ever opens the garage door. Here's the brains behind it. I still need to do some soldering permanently and make it pretty, but there's the brains. And Google, close the garage door. Oh, okay, Google, close the garage door. And there we go. Not too bad for a weekend project, huh?